Welcome friends to see Sanjib's Smart Learning YouTube channel for online learning. I'll be teaching you today the widely spoken language in the world, French, the Module 2 session. In French Module 2 session, I'll be mainly teaching today the accents used in French and articles in French grammar. First of all, I'm starting the accents, and then the second topic is article in French grammar. Before starting today's lesson, I'll be requesting you once again, if you really want to learn the widely spoken language of the world and to speak in French fluently, please subscribe, please like, share, comment the Smart Learning channel to get the subsequent modules easily. If you have any query or any doubt after doing this online class, you can send me query or questions. I'll be giving you the reply. Thank you. Let's start the today's lesson in module 2. Today the first I'm covering the accents. First accents number 1 is accent aigu. Accent aigu. The name of the accent is accent aigu in French. The English meaning is acute accent. Acute accent. This accent is actually this type of line, right hand side aligned. A straight line aligned in the right hand side. This is called accent aigu. I'm showing you some examples of words, French words, where the accent aigu has been used. For example, été, été, number 1. Été means summer, summer. Été means summer. Next, te, te, te is tea. Actually, what happens for this accent, accent aigu is a right hand side aligned accent used on E, and whenever it is used on E, the pronunciation of E becomes A. A. That is, in the first module I have already discussed that the without accents E is pronunciation O in French. But whenever you are using this accent, the pronunciation becomes A. That means the pronunciation of this word été, été means summer season. Te, te means tea. So many words with these accents, that is accent aigu, we have in French grammar. I am showing you another word that is called ane. 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 Ane is a word with accent aigu on E. Ane means the ear, ear in French. Now I am coming to the next accent. That is the accent number 2. That is accent grave. Accent grave. It is grave accent. First one is acute accent, the second one is grave accent. It is the opposite side aligned, a line, straight line, opposite side, left hand side aligned. This is the structure of the accent grave. This, for example, it is used on E, is a word using accent grave. when used on E, the pronunciation of E becomes more flattened. That is a. Pronunciation will be a. So what happens here? Pe o aksa grab er o. The pronunciation will be per. M o aksa grab er o. Mer. Flattened pronunciation. Per means father. Mer means mother. Frère, another word. O aksa grab er o. Frère. Frère means brother. These are the application of this grave accent on E, alphabet E. Now the question arises, these accents whether used on other alphabet or not. Yes, some other alphabets means this accent grave is also used on A and U, but I have to tell you at first that when it is used on A and it is used on U, that it does not modify the pronunciation. Pronunciation becomes same, but it modifies the meaning of the word. For example, I am showing you an example. Say this is A. French pronunciation, that is A is A. A without accents, that is A. If accent is put, that is accent grave, that is left hand side, it is the accent grave put on A. What happens? A, pronunciation will be same in both the cases. But A means, English meaning is has, and A with accent grave, the meaning is to or in. It is a preposition, to or in, it becomes. Say, if you want to express, say, in Paris, so your word will be à Paris. That means in Paris or to Paris, this type of meaning. Okay. So accent grave, when it is used on A and U, I will be showing you on EU also, the alphabet U. Then how it happens, the difference in meaning. That is, say OU is a word and OU with accent grave on U. So what happens? OU is U and it is also U with accent grave. There is no difference in pronunciation, but here meaning is or and meaning is where. This is the meaning. So accent grave plays the role in this case to change the meaning, but not the pronunciation. Okay. Now I am coming to the third accent. Third accent is accent circumflex. Accent circumflex. Circumflex means circumflex accent in English. It is like caret-like sign. Say, for example, M-A-T, mat. It is a mast of the ship. Say, fore, F-O-R-E, accent circumflex, T, fore. Fore means forest. These are some examples. Say, hotel, O accent circumflex, T-O-L, hotel. Hotel is hotel. Mat is mast of the ship. Fore is forest. Hotel is hotel. That is H is mute. In general, the French language, the last consonant becomes silent, but some exceptions are there. It is the word where last consonant is being pronounced, and here also the last consonant is silent, fore. And hotel is a H mute, so it is starting from O, hotel. But there is no such rule regarding modification of pronunciation, meaning, etc. But this is a circumflex accent, that is circumflex accent to be used where it is put on the alphabet. Without using it, your spelling will be wrong. Okay, that's all for the third accent. Now the fourth accent. I am coming to the fourth accent. Fourth accent is accent Cedille. Accent Cedille is the fourth accent. Cedille. Cedille, actually when this type of combination comes, C-O-C-A-C-U, that means C coming before O, coming before A, coming before U. In that case, the accent Cedille is being used. That means a word G-A-R-C accent Cedille O-N, G-A-R-C accent Cedille O-N, that is garçon. It makes the pronunciation so, otherwise it will be ko, ka, q. It is of invalid meaning. There is no meaning in French grammar or French dictionary. When C comes before, O comes before, A comes before U, you must have to use the accent Cedille. It is a tail-like structure below C. For example, say sa, bha, sa, bha. Garçon is boy. English meaning. Ça va is okay. Okay. If you, without using this accent, if you write these words without using these accents, it is totally wrong. Okay, that's all for accent Cedille. Now I am coming for the accent trema. It's a very important accent. It is very rare also, but whenever we are getting on any word, what we have to do, I am showing you accent trema. Accent trema is a double dot. That is this type of accent, say on I am showing. That is, say for example, O accent aigue, R-O I with accent trema, heroic. Heroic. The word is heroic. Heroic means heroic in English. But what happens whenever you are getting these accents on any alphabet, that is I, so you have to pause for a moment. That is heroic. Heroic. That is hero, then pronounce ik. Heroic. That is the function of this accent trema, this accent. Okay, that's all for the accent today. Now I am coming to the article in French grammar. This is a very important part, article. It is called article. In French grammar, it is called article défini. That is definite article. Article défini. What I have written here, le, L-E, le, L-A, la, L apostrophe and L-E-S. So what happens? Actually, in French language, you have to know one thing, that all the words and all the objects or things, whatever may be, are classified into two categories in gender. That either masculine gender, male, or feminine gender, that is female. So table, chair, books, whatever may be the object, either masculine or feminine. Okay. So in case of masculine, low masculine singular, the low will be used. That is masculine and singular item. That is one item. Masculine singular, the low will be used. La, that is feminine singular, the la will be used, singular. And L apostrophe, the masculine and feminine both. But in which cases starting with vowel, or H mute. In those cases, the L apostrophe will be used. Say law for masculine singular, la for feminine singular, and L apostrophe for masculine, feminine both, but starting with vowel or H mute. So I am showing you some examples. Say for example, le livre, le garçon. These are example of le, that is the book, the boy. La chemise, la chemise, that is the shirt. La fille, fille means girl, la fille, the girl. L apostrophe is starting with vowel or H mute, that is a word starting with vowel, that is l'oiseau. L'oiseau is bird. Another example, l'hôtel, H mute, l'hôtel, L apostrophe being used. But in all these cases, actually les, whenever plural will be coming, les to be used for all these cases. Say if you are making the books, that is livro, so les, livres, livro, le livro, livros, le livro. Les filles, the girls, les filles, les filles, the girls. But in some cases, in French grammar, the plural actually normally takes s in plural, but in some cases the exceptional plural are there. Say I am showing you one word that is in starting with vowel. I have written here l'oiseau. L'oiseau means bird, the bird in English, l'oiseau. But whenever you are making plural, this word will be oesaux, that is, it will take x instead of s in plural. It is an exceptional word, les oiseaux. Okay, that's all for the article. That is, we have completed in this module the article défini, that is definite article in French grammar. That's all for today's lesson. In module 2, we have already covered the accents in French grammar and the article défini and definite article. Okay, I'll be coming with the next in the next session with the next module, module 3, and one by one grammatical part I'll be discussing in the subsequent modules. Till then, goodbye, and I'll be requesting you once again to get the subsequent lessons and modules easily. Please subscribe the Smart Learning channel. Thank you.